Well, I have my car fixed at 6,652 miles on the tachometer. Well, I guess it's a tachometer, speedometer. Uh, they did put a brand new radio in it, and it looks sort of like different than the one before that. It's like more clear. The screen is like excellent, or maybe it's because the other one was broken and I couldn't see nothing out of it. But this one is extremely clean and clear, and it works perfectly with the telephone. The previous radio, I have problems communicating the phone with the radio, but now I have a cable on it, a USB cable connected to the car, and it does communicate with the radio. So everything is like I want to have it, and it's working excellent. Now they did fix the trim, and they did an excellent job so far. It looks like it's there to stay. So we will see. And now all I have to do is tan the windows. Tan the windows to protect the car from the UV rays, the sun, from the sun. Yeah, I believe it gets so hot in here with the Texas weather, it melted the radio. Well, hopefully you guys get some ideas or what I'm doing to the car, so you can replicate on yours. And the miles is 6,652 miles. So still a brand new car. Now I like these steering wheel covers because it gives you a better feel of the car when you drive it. So I put that too out there. And this is my next project. My sunglasses won't fit. It's amazing that they put that in there for sunglasses, and sunglasses don't fit in it. So you figure that one out. I mean, why they put this on the car where you cannot use it? So that is going to be my next project. How to rebuild this, or to come out with a solution to hang my sunglasses. Now I thought about taking this out and put a CV radio in there. I always love CV radios on cars. I got CV radios on all the automobile that I have, and also a speaker on the outside so I can talk to people. And it helped me in a few occasions on accidents that I can get people to move or whatever and warn them. So it does help to have that in case of emergencies. So that is my next project. I'm thinking about, I think it's enough room in there to get a CV radio in there, so I can put the CV radio in there and I can move the buttons this way. It's like hiding in there. I can hide it in there. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that, but I think it will be a good place to have a CV radio in there on the top of it. And I think if it's enough space for a small CV radio, and run the antennas through the inside of the car. Now I'm going to tan that rear window, and I'm going to tan that one, this one, that one, but not the front. The front I'm going to just leave it like it is. Now there is rules and regulations to size or determine the tint on the windows. They cannot be too dark, and the reason is they blame safety for the police and all this stuff. Basically, the police want to see you as they approach you. That is basically the reason. So I have to give me the correct tinted color that matches the rules and regulations on basically every state in the union. So they supposed to do some kind of research and find out, you know, where can I have the tint and where I cannot, and match it to that specification. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and they did an excellent job on the Chrysler dealership. I am impressed. It took about an hour and a half to do the job, and they called me on the phone. They were very gracious. So the difference in between dealerships where you buy your car does make the difference. I made a mistake on buying on the wrong side of town. So the Chrysler dealership in Pasadena, I say hoorah for them. Go out there and get your service done on that dealership. Well, hopefully you enjoy it.